White Dolphin by Gil Lewis, Chapter 32. Before I start my video, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you may receive my upcoming videos. In Chapter 31, we saw an ironic situation where Kara comes to know that her father had sold Moana to Doggy Evans without telling Kara. This made Kara get utterly upset and she goes to her room, lies in bed and tells herself, I can't believe we have lost her. In chapter number 32, Kara is seen sitting in a park with Felix near harbor and it was raining heavily. All the boats had run for homes except the boats and trawlers of Doggy Evans. Kara feels like losing her dad too, as she was not talking to her father since her father had sold Moana to Doggy Evans. Felix is going to take part in regatta race, which is supposed to be held the next day. Felix tells Kara that her sailing coach wants to put Felix in the junior training squad for Paralympic sailing team. Felix wants Kara to sail with him in disabled with an able-bodied sailor category. Kara is surprised by the offer made by Felix, but Kara realizes that soon she will be moving to Exeter with her dad. Therefore, she does not give Felix an encouraging response. Kara walks through the harbor and sees trawlers of Doggy Evans roaring up in the air. Kara tells herself it would be better to move to Exeter. At least she will not be able to see Doggy Evans sailing Moana. When Felix and Kara were leaving the park, Adam and his brother Joe tell Kara and Felix that Doggy Evans has caught a huge white shark in his net. Felix said Kara planned to go and see the caught shark. Kara pushes her way through the crowd and reaches close to the shark, but it was not a shark. It was a white dolphin, and on its dorsal fin there was a deep notch at the base. It was Angel's mother. Mother dolphin had died. That was all about chapter number 32. Here are some question answers from chapter number 32. We will be discussing irony of fate or tragedy in White Dolphin. Death of Mother Dolphin is irony of fate. This is again an irony discussed here in chapter number 32. Or you may say this is a tragedy in White Dolphin. That Kara had long been protecting Mother Dolphin. She had been taking care of Mother Dolphin. She wanted that Angel and Mother Dolphin should be together. She had been seeing Mother Dolphin as her own mother. So she always wanted to protect Mother Dolphin and an Angel, and the tragedy is that the Mother Dolphin had died. She was caught in the net of Doggy Evans and had died. Here is another question. Kara, a 12 years old girl, goes through sad news one after the other, like selling of Moana to Doggy Evans and then death of Mother Dolphin. Kara was attached to both Moana and Mother Dolphin. What do you think why Gil Lewis has introduced so many tragedies one after the other? So in fact, you have seen in chapter number 31, Kara's father has sold Moana to Doggy Evans, and in chapter number 32, we see that Mother Dolphin had died. So these are two consecutive shocks which Kara has received one after the other. So question is, what do you think why Gil Lewis has introduced so many tragedies? In fact, the writer is preparing, this is the answer, the writer is preparing Kara to accept the biggest shock of her life through making her pass through number of small shocks. And the biggest shock of her life is in later chapters we will see that mother of Kara also dies, and Kara comes to know that her mother is no more there. So that is the biggest shock of Kara's life. So in this way, the writer Gil Lewis is preparing Kara to accept the biggest shock of her life. So through these two shocks, two tragedies, tragedy of selling of Moana and death of Mother Dolphin, the writer is in fact trying to prepare Kara to receive the biggest shock of her life. So that's all about chapter number 32. Again, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you may receive my upcoming videos.